Hello guys, hope you are all well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on the NFC reader on your iPhone. So on the newer iPhones, iPhone 13 and Plus, the NFC reader is automatically on. But if you are using a older iPhone, what we can do first of all is head over to our Shortcuts app here, which is a default app and should be installed on your device. If not, you can download this from the App Store, and then we can then simply head over to Shortcuts. Now you want to go down to the bottom here and then click on the option for automation, and then you want to select new automation here in the middle. Now you want to then scroll down until you see the option for NFC, click on this, and then you can then go to the top here, and how you turn it on is you simply need to go to where it says NFC tag here and then click on the scan option. And then as you can see, it will then scan, and that's how simple it is to turn on the NFC reader on your iPhone. I hope this video did help you out guys. If it did, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.